Today marks the beginning of the end for the building behind me, as we tear it down to make way for the future of MARC train.
So what today's groundbreaking is all about? It's about the launch of this new Riverside heavy maintenance facility as a key part of our commitment to a state of good repair for all of our transportation systems. With this new building, MARC train efficiency can slip into high gear.
Once complete, the Riverside heavy maintenance facility will be an important part of modernizing Maryland's MARC train system to make it more efficient and more cost effective. This 35,000 square foot building with 3 tracks will include a 30-ton overhead crane, drop table, retractable fall protection system, and wheel true machine, and it will provide us with 4 maintenance slots for locomotives undergoing heavy maintenance and repair.
And now for the event we've all come to see. Governor Hogan will personally lead off the demolition process by climbing into the excavator you see behind us and start the process of tearing down building number 6 to make way for the future.
I'm pleased that Maryland is continuing to set an example in so many ways on infrastructure, including with today's groundbreaking.